Slack. Hey, get out your motherfucking seat to this one, you know. Slack. 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 100 rounds in a towel, nigga, lighting up your tacos. Yeah, give him surgery, no lipo. Down, blame that bitch will pull you down. Pull up to a nigga town, I'm prepared to take her down. Nigga, hey, do that slime shit. Hey, YSL shit. Hey, killing 12 shit. Hey, fuck a jail shit. Hey, drink it at the bitch. Hey, on that snail shit. Hey, cooking white brick. Hey, wrist and bell shit. Hey, bitch, I'm super rich. Bitch, I'm stupid rich. I go ape shit. Call that ludicrous. I'm not new to this. I'm so true to this. I done put a whole slime on a list.
Slime get slime. Maniac don't have a mind. These niggas be bitches, a lot of them snitching, a lot of them dropping them down. I come to the point of my life that I just want one of my wives. I think that I want that new Sprite. We rich, so I know that it's like this. I'm so too legit. On some helmet shit. Diamond dancing bitch. YSL VVS. In the Ville, and I ain't got that pistol on my hip. You praying that you live, I'm praying that I hit. Hey, did that slime shit. Need a slime bitch. Compromise shit. Down the ride shit. Fuck the police. In a high speed. Let her out on bleed. Let her out on bleed.
100 rounds in a towel, nigga, lighting up your tacos. Yeah, give him surgery, no lipo. Down, blame that bitch will pull you down. Pull up to a nigga town, I'm prepared to take her down. Nigga, hey, do that slime shit. Hey, YSL shit. Hey, killing 12 shit. Hey, fuck a jail shit. Hey, drink it at the bitch. Hey, on that snail shit. Hey, cooking white brick. Hey, wrist and bell shit. Hey, bitch, I'm super rich. Bitch, I'm stupid rich. I go ape shit. Call that ludicrous. I'm not new to this. I'm so true to this. I done put a whole slime on a list.
Got banana clip for all these niggas acting up. These niggas sandwiches in the street, they need hooked on fun. Got 10 truck spots, stay bunking, all of them doing numbers. They just be talking, I swear these little fuck niggas don't want. I ran up my money and I'm still in the trenches. Working calculators when we fuck with weight, we call them bitches. Got Burger, Logan, True, they with me.
Real neighborhood.
Banging neighborhood 6. Tiny low, still fish. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it on my own.
What? The burger said they got me so high, I swear to God, I'm in my own damn zone. I'm high.
$1,000 on cologne.
All of the extras, I bought me a home.
And it's big like the dome.
Hold up, country boy calling my phone. And I just sold her.
100 rounds in a towel, nigga, lighting up your tacos. Yeah, give him surgery, no lipo. Down, blame that bitch will pull you down. Pull up to a nigga town, I'm prepared to take her down. Nigga, hey, do that slime shit. Hey, YSL shit. Hey, killing 12 shit. Hey, fuck a jail shit. Hey, drink it at the bitch. Hey, on that snail shit. Hey, cooking white brick. Hey, wrist and bell shit. Hey, bitch, I'm super rich. Bitch, I'm stupid rich. I go ape shit. Call that ludicrous. I'm not new to this. I'm so true to this. I done put a whole slime on a list.
Did that slime shit. Did that mob shit. Did that $100,000 do the job shit. Down the dive by the Russia, cut it to my money. They say we getting money, now these niggas acting funny. And they all fake, like some bitch titties. Tell they bitch another locker, we ain't fucking with them. And they groupie niggas, and they hold tight. For the jail, why I say all of that mob like.
Yeah, we got these bankrolls on us, we in Vegas. Yeah, I ain't going back and forth with y'all. Hello. Yeah, I'm bet me 100,000, like all motherfucking hundreds. Check. Yeah, put me up.